Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we never seen. Don't waste another mile or a minute not kissing me. Life is short, make it sweet. Open sky, glimpse of heaven. Take the top off the CJ7. Let that surfside sand and a wind mess up your head. Let that windshield frame the ocean. Radio key.
You're about to make promises to each other that you will keep for a lifetime. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, and to find happiness in the other. There's a simple premise to each of these promises. You're vowing to be there. You're teaming up and saying to the other, every experience I'm going to have, I want you to be a part of. Abby will come forth and do the first reading.